This place is known as the wildlife capital of India. India is one of the most biodiverse countries in the world with forest, mountain, grassland, wetland, rivers and desert that host thousands of wildlife species. There are many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries which are there to save endangered animals and conserve natural ecosystem. Wildlife tourism has become very popular with jungle safaris, bird watching, photography and ecotourism. One of the famous wildlife destinations in India is known for its tigers and biodiversity importance for conservation. Wildlife capital of India. Jim Corbett National Park is popularly known as the wildlife capital of India, located in Uttarakhand. The park is famous for Bengal tiger, dense forest, river ecosystem, elephant population and wildlife safari. It was one of the most celebrated wildlife destinations in India with its rich biodiversity and historical significance. Why is Jim Corbett National Park famous? Jim Corbett National Park is the first national park in India and one of the most important tiger reserves of the country. The park contains forests, rivers, hills, grasslands and marshy areas and provides habitat to a wide range of ecosystem. Wildlife sightings, breathtaking scenery and safari adventure attract tourists, photographers and nature lovers from around the world. History of Jim Corbett National Park. The park was established in 1936 and was named Haley National Park during the British rule. Later it was renamed after Jim Corbett, a famous hunter, author and conservationist who helped to protect the wildlife and spread awareness of conservation. The historical importance of the park was due to its role in the preservation of wildlife in India. Wildlife found in Jim Corbett National Park. The park is home to many species of wildlife including the Bengal tiger, Asian elephant, leopard, crocodile, sloth, bear, deer, jackal, wild boar and others. The region is also known for more than hundreds of bird species, which makes it popular among bird watchers and wildlife photographers. Tiger Reserve and Project Tiger. Jim Corbett National Park was among the first tiger reserves under the Project Tiger launched in 1973 to protect the endangered Bengal tigers in India. A number of protected areas have been seen an increase in tiger numbers due to protection of habitats and conservation programs. River ecosystem and natural beauty. Ramganga River, which supports aquatic life, wetlands and grasslands, crosses the park. The dense sal forest and river banks offer rich habitats for animals and migratory birds. The park is popular for the scenic beauty of its rivers, forests and foothills of Himalaya. Safari tourism in Corbett. The prime attraction inside the park are jeep safaris and forest tourism. There are several safari zones that allow visitors to explore the forest and wildlife habitat. Early morning and evening safaris are a particular favorite for animal viewing. Best time to visit Jim Corbett National Park. The best season for wildlife tourism are believed to be winter and summer, as there are more chances to spot animals. The bird migration seasons attract many visitors as well. Other famous wildlife destinations in India. India has several famous wildlife parks including Ranthambore National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Bandhavgarh National Park, Gir National Park and Sundarban National Park. Interesting facts about Jim Corbett National Park. Jim Corbett is India's oldest national park, established in 1936. It is the oldest national park in India and a landmark in the history of wildlife conservation. The park is famous for Bengal tigers. Tiger safaris are one of the biggest attractions for the tourists visiting the park. Corbett has rich biodiversity. Project Tiger begin here. The park attracts wildlife tourists from around the world.